Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome back, focused learners, to another explainer. Today, we're taking a close look at a single, incredibly potent concept from our source material that really hits the nail on the head. We're talking about what just might be the ultimate modern tech dilemma of our era. Free versus paid AI tools. Just let that exact phrase hang in the air for a second. We are constantly being bombarded with new platforms, new updates, new capabilities, and every single time a major new feature drops, we're instantly forced to weigh these two opposing concepts in our minds, right? Do we stick to the open access models, or is it finally time to reach for our wallets? Section 1. The Great AI Tool Debate. Section 2. The Concept of Free. Now, when something is accessible without a direct financial cost, it completely wipes out those initial barriers to entry. I mean, you don't need a budget approval, you don't have to try and justify a monthly subscription to your accountant, and honestly, you don't even have to overthink it. You just log in and start messing around. That lack of a price tag is basically the ultimate invitation to learn, to explore, and to integrate some really wild new tech into your daily routine without any immediate friction at all. Section 3. The Reality of Paid. Okay, so this definition right here marks a massive conceptual shift, moving from casual, costless access to actually making a deliberate financial investment. That fundamentally changes your relationship with the software. You're no longer just browsing or tinkering around. Now you've got skin in the game. You're committing your own resources, which usually means you're going to expect a much higher caliber of performance, rock-solid reliability, faster processing, or, those advanced features that the free tier just literally cannot offer. And this brilliantly illustrates the stark contrast between these two paths. On one side, zero financial risk. It's the perfect sandbox. On the other side, a required investment that unlocks professional-grade capabilities. It's that classic trade-off, right? Protecting your wallet versus maximizing your technological leverage. Section 4. Defining worth your money. Let's break down this concept of worth in the context of artificial intelligence. Worth is entirely about value relative to cost. But how do you personally measure that value? I want you to ask yourself right now, is it time saved during your workday? Is it the sheer quality of the output it generates? Look at it this way. If a paid AI tool saves you, say, 5 hours of tedious busy work a week, what is the exact dollar value of those 5 hours to you? Worth is never just about staring at the price tag. It's about calculating this complex personal ratio of what you're putting in versus what you're actually getting out. So the absolutely crucial point here is that worth is inherently completely subjective. Because of this subjectivity, the answer to our source's court question depends entirely on your unique circumstances as an individual user. What constitutes an absolutely essential, non-negotiable paid tool for a full-time software engineer? That might be completely unnecessary overkill for a student who just wants a quick study aid. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here, simply because there is no one-size-fits-all user. Section 5. Your final decision. Let's move to this framework and see how this builds a really simple, incredibly logical matrix for making your choice. First up, step 1. Assess the free tools available to you. Seriously, push them to their absolute limits in your daily life. Then, step 2. Explicitly identify their limitations. Where exactly does that free version break down, stall out, or just fail to meet your specific workflow needs? And finally, step 3. Evaluate the paid value. Does the cost of the premium version directly and cleanly solve those exact limitations you just found in step 2? If yes, well, it's a solid investment. If no, you stick with free. To wrap up this explainer, I want to turn the source material's title directly back on you. Take a really close look at your own digital tool belt and your daily routines. Are you settling for free when a small investment could unlock massive potential? Or, on the flip side, are you paying for processing power you literally don't truly need? When you look out at the landscape of AI tools available today, which one is worth your money?